Emelia Brobbey, we are watch UK. What do you mean? Who now you cron for the unyobi? Cron for say you can be watch. Near Kaya. Who you the shell banners or banning reai?
I bet say wako riade ewa brochi.
Once and say a guy be video when
for about 7 years ni and what say Emelia Brobbey ko UK no ko watch me no nam so mpanimfo so ne pechi emre pa no kromfo masemi ye deport Emelia Brobbey me sure say what asemi no because ache almost 7-8 years ni ma internet kasa homa no so be ye nimguase ade de ma ye nua ba Emelia Brobbey anan kompen ho asem na asem no atwam kura magana fo ye ye ne afiri so say Chef Smith asem na wo so a ye twe ne sere ne ambasa ene na po Dr. Kwame Nkrumah nsem ye wo social media highway ne so na Emelia Brobbey asem yi sign trend agent me ha ewo TikTok kasa homa no so me no nam so one guy be a friend no Captain Caesar na se Don Caesar ewo TikTok kasa homa no social media highway no so akorezi asem yi masem no Ghana fo bi etwe asem we esere ne ambasa obi bebi sase den na nam so ma asem yi esan erezi babiem for the past 2 weeks ni Emelia Brobbey eni Asantewaa etwetwe nkomo ewo kuku seku show so ma nkomodidiem no Asantewaa epa kire se omakoye celebrities idie enye nsem bia na ebeka wo internet kasa homa no social media highway ni so ana omode omani anaso maso bedi akiri efise ono Asantewaa ne di akanse mpa de afra no ho enye ni nyina no ana ode nani edi akiri emu ntro ne chese ni nyina no enye no kore nti ebra nkomodidie ekoso one Emelia Brobbey entem no ana ono Asantewaa eka kire Emelia Brobbey se ebra no esi so oba no ote se o Emelia Brobbey no ko UK ema okowia watch eyampa na se nyampa sei na Emelia Brobbey anase nkomodidie no ekoye
me bet say bi say wako riade ewa brochi say yampa
once and say a guy be video when
menkai ena me pese me kesi asem so na
akoye
say na yampa say na yampa akoye te say bola suja senior working nansenya obi betumi asan ko rezi aba amana be
indeed 2 weeks
and no matter what it is, whether cases are involved, cases are not, say no me any na so ne de me de me Bible ma meti ase say enye adwuma to de bin so aya me hu ni say edin no sometimes whatever they are saying has nothing to do with me, but the name I feel like they have to to sell. Yes,
you are right.
Exactly.
You are right. You are right. You are right.
Should consider certain things I see unless I want to make money from that. That's one day. It's say na worker say obi be ka say me eboni na say bio asasem ne modu, but I laughed over it. Me when I realize I can, fix myself in so that I can get money in that space, I will. I quickly will do that to fit in. And yes, apa dia obia nka de person worker.
You see when you sa tough skin no.
Yeah.
Ma enonam so Emelia Brobbey ko ka say akoa bi anaswate se obi eno ana ankoye Captain Caesar da eno enam so waso ejane de agu Emelia Brobbey so edidi na tem kire nzere wanhwe ye kana no antuma ensem obeka fa no ho de eja wadwenya asem kitu na TikTok ahoma iso de ne me ekoso ensem anyway didi na tofa buzu ya yen ka branze ne ensem ni bi ma no yen jamunsi yen ko video ni bi emra na ye ba ya toka.
Na wo Emelia Brobbey we a watch ewo UK a me kaye obuofu Asantewaa interview obeye efa me ho ben na wa sheda aka say sana guy bi me a guy bi man. What do you mean? Emelia Brobbey, what do you mean? Who na oye kronfo de unyobi kronfo say oba UK na we a watch na ya kaye oya na wo watch no make us say why na ka say wia one na do pa be wia watch na aka say the internet never forget me. I can't want you on. The internet never forget. Cause a hit. When we are there 10 years ago, you can say still na yenkai. She me Captain Caesar. Me a bonsa papa. Be no amenkai. Me I am more than internet, Me re ebiana mean few. Me kana mean few. Mo Jimmy Crana Susie Williams Susie Williams ni wo kra meba beka. Mo Jimmy a. Oh Emelia Brobbey, what could you watch about you can go via watch. We all the shell banners or ban me enyanim guase oba ketekete onim hwe na de krono kras atom so ema obi a woni krata ana okoso ani so ne ho tere ne denden baba tu na efremi o baba tu na efremi Emelia Brobbey nyame pa na age wate
awusia na ensem we na akofa men no nam so eye Don Caesar ya na se Captain Caesar yi etwa bo Emelia Brobbey na wotie Emelia Brobbey kasem obon so wo kase akoa bi boy be obi sa obi no Don Caesar na se Captain Caesar ana abrante patch so onye obi ana unum ni din ti no nsem bi wo ha ense so me no nam so ma Captain twabo Emelia Brobbey asemi ye twene sere ne abasa wo internet kasa homa no so a
de na ye kan asase no it wasn't just asase me asase no me see dan also in my head. My flow in a way. In my head, I'm done with the first floor. In my head, my decking. Just say, ye be painty, ye POP at the finishing touches. Now, when I don't know. Now me feel it deep within my heart. Say budget I am no. I say me tuya manabroso. Nti mame fa mani nkoshe. Mistake am here ye say. Nipa na me de share ne nsa no. Akoye te say wo. Obi animu ikofo bebre animu nti me fa ne say oh
ntumi nya me bone
what am I say there is no way because one you would like to protect your integrity your name so I felt so relaxed I felt so comfortable in my humble abode me feel say you are being a sister to me and I don't think say I did anything wrong me dey meet him no
uje ni pedi
toto but e bia no be so hwemia sa position na me woman no ono so relaxing it say me mani ada ho ama say me di bibi ma o say ye ma me a mani di akire ama
kosisa de ne be ye
ebesipi inti me feel say me tu abroso no na abo be ye na enwumre sa na jo na me tu ka call site ho na me ne me manager na nam me mane e de me call site ho na me duru ye no I was shocked. I broke down into tears. I cried. Na ye me wanwa. Me hu dan na yesi no.
Obi a wonte abrocha o te Ghana.
Me te Ghana. Now me concern here I should just keep producing the money. I want to finish building fast.
Ope say wo ye adwuma obi enya ade ne ma na awie na nka ho.
I could work about 20 hours out of the 24 hours. Into time biano na ma ye busy. Sometimes the whole day
because you want to finish something.
So at my age, I wanted to surprise myself on top. But at the end of the day, no situation no surprise me.
It's sad.
Na me dream ho insiso. Just say nipa na me da generation nsa no. We this kano. Anokasem so ne say oni bia wo betua. Besi ne otwimi die. Ahanum say in Kankroma say we list me say no binya ensa so sika mu pe asa embaby. So I was emotional. I went through it. I was sending na America say me say I will involve my husband. I mean, he's in somewhere else, he's not in Ghana. So I wanted to go through it all. I remember at a point certain big people reached out to me because the story was out there. At dawn, Delay would call me and pray with me because I had to say Obi our Bible mu Job he lost everything. I remember that at a point maybe Bia because I invested everything that I had at that point. I think he said the next month I'm moving into my new house. I even invited some friends to say me baby me fear no. Yes.
To that point I won't correct. Oh, say
yes. And see ha me ye pa me de misika nyina ahim nti na misika nyina asa and big shout outs to my colleague TikTokers Ekia Official, Jacqueline, Wesley, Dance God. It got to that point where I didn't want my husband to know I was that broke, so I had to talk to my friends. They came through for me, they contributed for me. I started because that means to me offer myself only me juma energy ni ho. Me to me, I was telling people I'm not working. I am too busy. But now me shame that them misuana adiachi. Na adiasa. Na adiachi. Na adiasa. My stylist, my crew members, everybody. So I was home. I remember they came with yam, rice. Because yes. I always said Dako, I will share this story. I didn't know say yes. Na
we are sankrofo na obo de omani si ade so so ya de odibedi dikra na ode be ya dekro.
So I remember I would because I am always spending my own money till my husband wants to give me money. He feels I'm okay. And I felt like he would be disappointed to hear such a story. And then I wanted to go through it, come out of it. But coming out was so difficult.
Yeah.
It was so difficult. But I thank God, say, I was able to come. At least I got people who were there for me. I got people.
And I'm experience.
Yes. See, when I cast my mind back, I'm like, Ebiana can me accept faster, can do such stage. But Ebi so ananyame, mama near the hole to Ebia assembly for phobia and kebisino to prevent enono. Ebiana sa or how no so. A change in me. And to say me to me jina we anoa. It means many at the hole for tomorrow. Nti no nyame adom me femu me pie free mu ene ma sense fie foforo
na yebekọ so de ene adi nsem achi anoma abakora to foma nso be fa feelings unti mesrew so ba no subscribe no ahye na busu na tumi akoso ayekese before be kra mo amya kon me kan for Charistic Company Limited in real friend is Amesha ana zaaje capsule so de amount se e ba yare dom bia beji ni padua na kenten so ma unya setene mo ne je ni panifo se kwadwo mu ndo bi wate se e ba infertility ulcer prostate problems oba edu umfichi kwachi wa yase tumi county menstruation pains e wo wase a mabro no so fidua no bi atumi te nka kwadwo panifo ndo bi infection bacteria bia beji ni padua na kenten so unya setene mo ne je no e waduru ene za Amesha ne zaaje capsule na hindi heba me shanso ye 3D yale brofukase be friend say malaria fever typhoid diabetes so blood pressure na yade etai kosora eye wadru eni hindi heba me sha yare ya mitumi boss mentumi amboso no kwanyi mpanimfo no bi na oya be ma fu aso fe me se mema no yedum so se ebesisi yade sexual weakness be ma de bo anitim keja na ona osensenso na kwaje eye za aman capsules e wadru eno no mema ni di ho dance e pa no kura ni nyame enim ne bu nsem atiko enya sem keto akura se wo de oyire ukomutwu a okanche ma girlfriend ekompemu a cheso sepen man ani ehenhan na ono kura no tumi tu che de ma ho eno nti ne mpanifo de za aman capsules no de abamemema no se be ma wo de bo ani na sisi ho asane agufo ma low sperm count wadru eno na duro yi fdi ahwema dia tum se eye open dudu atu akofoma herbal stores and sabe company fo no bi upemu se bisane mu nchiri mu a doctor ahoma trofo ne go school ne so fa na ne doctor monko monjetwe nkomo na bibie ntimi enimu mesro so ba no subscribe no ahye na busu na tumi akoso ayekese efrem dan kwesi prince nyame ehadoma dase na ebidi ehye mu makraw